As Alex looks around, he finds a magic toy basket. The special birthday gift his grandpa gave him. The moment Alex places the basket in front of him, something strange happens. Suddenly, bright sparkling lights start bursting out of the basket. Whoa! Amazing! Little by little, magical toys begin to pop out of the basket. Alex can't stop smiling. He is so happy to see all the magical toys coming out. Suddenly, something big starts coming out of the basket, glowing with bright, shining light. Wow! When Alex turns back to look at the basket, he can't believe his eyes. A unicorn, a dinosaur, and a flying toy car are floating in the air above the basket. Suddenly, the magic basket begins to change its shape all by itself. Colorful rainbow lights burst out from the basket, swirling all around the room. Alex, whoa, it's changing again. Look at all those colors. Suddenly, a shiny 4x4 car rolls out of the basket. Wow! A 4x4! My favorite car. Alex can't believe his eyes. The magic basket just gave him his favorite car. Amazing. A beautiful unicorn steps out of the basket, its mane sparkling with rainbow colors. Suddenly, colorful bubbles start popping out of the magic basket. Alex jumps and plays with the floating bubbles, giggling with happiness as they shimmer all. The magic basket glows and whoosh! Alex is wearing a shiny Superman cape and costume. Alex, wow, I'm Superman now. Alex flies around the room, feeling super strong and happy. Next, all the magical toys pour out of the basket at once. Alex runs around, playing with the unicorn, dinosaur, car, bubbles, and everything else. Having the after playing for a while, Alex carefully places all the toys back into the magic basket. Alex, all done. I'll keep you safe, magic basket. The basket glows softly, as if saying thank you, ready for another magical day. Hey friends, will you play with me next time too? Alex, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Basket Buddies. Thanks for joining Alex on this magical adventure. See you next time.
Alex and Alexa were so excited they bounced on their bed. Today was the day for their amazing road trip adventure. Before they could leave, everyone had to help pack. Alex carefully placed his camera, and Alexa hugged her favorite toys. Then it was time to load the car. Dad carefully arranged the bags while Mom handed out yummy snacks. With everything packed, the family stood by their shiny red car and waved goodbye to their lovely home. Dad turned the key, and the car roared to life, ready to start their big adventure. Soon, their red car zoomed through a bustling city, full of tall, colorful buildings. Out of the city, green hills and farms stretched as far as they could see, with a beautiful rainbow arching overhead. Inside the car, Alex and Alexa sang their favorite ABC song, filling the air with happy sounds. Next, their car crossed a long, shiny bridge over a sparkling river, and Alex shouted, "Wow!" They stopped for a yummy snack break, eating sandwiches and juice at a picnic table under the trees. Finally, they arrived at the zoo. A big sign welcomed them, and playful animals peeked out. Dad bought the tickets, while Alex helped by counting his coins, eager to get inside. At the elephant pool, a huge elephant sprayed water, making Alexa giggle and Dad laugh. Alexa bravely fed green leaves to a tall giraffe, as Mom captured the moment with her camera. Then they saw playful monkeys swinging and jumping, and Alex tried to mimic them. Near the lion enclosure, a magnificent lion let out a gentle, rumbling roar, making Dad playfully imitate it. After all the animal fun, they took a delicious ice cream break at the zoo cafe. Inside a magical butterfly dome, Alex chased tiny, colorful butterflies, and Alexa watched in amazement. As the sun began to set, painting the sky orange, they drove back home, tired but happy. Finally, the car pulled into their driveway, and Dad said, "What a day."
Today, I'm going to make a super yummy chocolate banana treat. It's going to be fun and delicious. So much fun! Today, my chocolate banana is going to be super delicious. I'm going to sell lots and lots of chocolate bananas today.
Hurry, come on! Today we're going to eat chocolate bananas. Don't wait too long before they're all gone. Run!
Don't worry, I made lots of chocolate bananas today. Everyone will get one. I have chocolate bowls and chocolate bananas. Everything is ready. What would you like to eat?
Wow, these chocolate bananas are amazing. This is so much fun.
My chocolate bananas are always super delicious.
We really enjoyed eating your chocolate bananas today. All of us will come back next week to eat chocolate bananas again.
Mr. Bolo, thank you so much. Mr. Bolo, you are amazing.
Thank you from all of us.
Mr. Bolo, we are leaving now. We will come back next week.
Yes, you all must come. I will be waiting for all of you. Remember me. Don't forget, okay? Come on. I will take all of you on a fun visit to the market. Hello, Bojo. This is from me, just for you.
Wow, thanks, Mr. Bolo.
I had so much fun with all of you. I hope you were happy with me too.
Yes.
Today, only a few of my bananas are left. The rest have all been sold. Evening has come. It's time to go home. Tomorrow, I will sell all my chocolate bananas again.